What's up, you guys? What's up? You just getting more ready. How you doing today? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. This is video number 2 today. Yes, you guys, thank you so much for being here. If you didn't catch the first video, I got to give you the same love that I did in the first video. Okay? This is a totally separate video than what I did earlier. If you didn't check out how to protect your garden during winter, check that one out too. I just made it a few minutes ago. Okay? But I have to give you guys an update because I've been getting questions on our milk jug gardening. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just like the 2 middle fingers. Okay? Click that bell. You'll get a notification every time I make a video. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome over there. I promise you guys, this video is going to be short and sweet. I want to give you an update on the milk jug gardening, you guys. Yes, you guys. And in case you didn't catch the milk jug gardening, all it is a concept of using clear containers, like a milk jug, if you had the handle on it, or anything clear. And you just slice it in half all the way around, leaving a tip on the back end, like that, so you can open it and close it. That's as simple as that. Drill you some holes at the bottom, and you have a milk jug garden. And then we just take it, fill it with soil. And I did a video on this, you guys, but since I'm doing an update, I just wanted to recap for those who may not have caught it, because it's under the Start Your Own Greenhouse, make it for cheap. So you just put your soil in there just like that, pack it down, apply your seedlings. I planted some lettuce, and then you just want to cover it back up. Then you take your lid, cover it back up, take you some tape, and go all the way around. Like I said, you guys, this one is not ready, but you get what I'm saying. You take the tape and you go all the way around and you seal it up. You take the lid off and let Mother Nature do her thing. I have not watered the one that I planted. I have not done anything. The morning dew, evening dew goes in there and waters it. I haven't had to do anything with the milk jug container I started, you guys. So yes, this is a cheap and easy way that you can continue to garden during the winter time and let Mother Nature do her thing. You know, if you don't have a large space, if you're growing on a patio or a deck, it don't have to be pretty, y'all. We don't do pretty gardening. We do productive gardening. Okay, we just want to grow some food, things that we're gonna eat. All right, because we ain't got no money to keep going to the grocery store. We ain't got no money. So yes, you guys, just find your clear container, slice it halfway around so you can have it open and closed. Fill it with soil, make sure you have the holes at the bottom, put your seedlings in them, cover them up, take the lid off, and let it go. So now I'm just going to show you ours that we started, 10 days ago? Today's the 14th, and I think we started them on the 4th. So let's just go on over here. Like I said, I just left her out and about in the sun over here, just like that. And this is the one we started. Like I said, it's not a pretty way of gardening, but it's a productive way of gardening. So yes, you guys, this is our milk jug that we started 10 days ago. So I want to give you an update. Let's see what we got going on. You just simply take the tape around like this, and this is some lettuce, and I have plenty of tape, you guys, so I can retape this back. Now I'm just taking mine loose so you guys can see. Otherwise, you don't have to take yours loose, because I can see it from the little hole. So proud. So yeah, you guys, you ready? Our big reveal. Let's see what's going on inside of our milk jug. Wham! Look at that, you guys. Amazing. See the holes in the bottom? It drains itself. And look, we haven't done anything but drop seeds in there. We literally just let them drop in there before we closed it, and just pretty much took our hand, you guys saw me, and shifted them around a little bit, and they took to the soil by themselves. Yes. And you can go in and scoop some of these out and individually plant them, and you'll have a whole another head of lettuce. Yeah, you guys. So I just wanted to do a quick update, not a long video, just so you can see how the milk jug gardening works. So yeah, you guys, keep growing all year. You don't have to stop right now. Just keep it going. Just wanted to show you the milk jug garden does work. Now I'm going to take it and tape it back up and keep it moving. Okay, you guys? So I just want to do that quick update for you guys. I love you. You are the best. Remember, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow something in and get you a milk jug and start growing right now.